Midnight strikes and shadows gather round the altar stone. False prophet speaks in tongues that chill you to the bone. Candlelight reveals the horrors hidden in the dark. Every twisted ritual leaves another hellish mark. Ancient books of evil spread across the bloodied floor. Every incantation opens up another door to the realm of suffering, where the damned eternally dwell, leading all his followers straight into the depths of hell. Hollow church bells ringing through the halls of dread. Hollow church bells beckoning for the living dead. Light has turned to darkness in this wicked shrine. Hollow church bells ringing till the end of time.
Basement crypt holds secrets that would make the angels weep. Twisted congregation dancing while the righteous sleep. Offer up your sanity, surrender to the night, while he feeds upon your terror in the flickering candlelight.
Tombstones mark the failures who resisted his command. Empty shells of humans walking through this barren land. Ritual wine flows like blood from a chalice made of bone. Every prayer the chanting turns their hearts to cold stone. Hollow church bells ringing through the halls of dread. Hollow church bells beckoning for the living dead. Light has turned to darkness in this wicked shrine. Hollow church bells ringing till the end of time.
Walls are breathing, shadows move like living things. Ancient whispers echo as the midnight darkness brings visions of damnation to the ones who dare to see what lies beneath the surface of this dark theology. Church bells ringing through the halls of dread. Hollow church bells beckoning for the living dead.
Light has turned to darkness in this wicked shrine. Hollow church bells ringing for the end.